So you want to grow your followers and your views on TikTok. Well, going into 2026, TikTok has made some subtle but important changes that you need to know about. Specifically, one change that we're going to discuss today, which revolves around hashtags. Now, hashtags used to be a thing where you could put a decent amount. You could put 20 hashtags if you wanted. But now, TikTok has since made it a limit of 5 hashtags. And with that being said, some of you have probably been using the typical hashtags that people try to use to go viral or to get more views, which is FYP hashtag, or the viral hashtag, or some other loophole hashtag that you think will get you more views. And sometimes it probably works, and other times it probably doesn't work, because the hashtags are just a part of it, right? But they are important. As you get your SEO together, which is another part of it, and as you do some other things, you still want to make sure your hashtags are giving you the best value, the best chance of getting the most views you can on TikTok. So I'm going to give you that strategy now, and it needs to be done with these fundamentals. Now, number one is you want to discuss who you're talking to. This is going to be hashtag number one. Who are you talking to? Are you talking to Gen Z? Are you talking to stay-at-home mothers? Are you talking to grocery shoppers? Okay, so depending on your niche, you need to figure out who is your target audience. Now, from there, then the second hashtag is going to revolve around what is the video about. Is it a how-to video? Is it these 5 tips? Is it what is such and such, right? Whatever you would title the video, you need to hashtag that with no spaces in between the words, right? Number 3 is going to be a broad hashtag based around your niche, but make it broad. Is it about spirituality? Is it about football? Is it about a movie? Right? These are more broader things to have you where you're expanded, but you're still precise as to who you're looking at. Okay. Now, a number 4 is going to be the result of the video. What will they learn? Will they get more views on TikTok from watching this video? Will they get a better price at the store by watching your coupon video, right? Will they save money? These are the things you need to be looking at. Now, number 5 is going to be, what do you want them to do? Do you want them to follow? Do you want them to save the video? Do you want them to like the video or share the video? That is how you're going to set it up. So let's review. Number 1 is going to be who you're talking to. Number 2 is going to be the title of the video, how you would title it. Number 3 is going to be the result. Number 4 is going to be a broad hashtag. And number 5 is going to be a call to action of what you would like your viewers to do in order to support the video. If you take these 5 fundamentals of hashtag specifics, this will help you get more views, more followers, and more long-term growth, which we'll call a binge session, where they'll look at not just 1, but 2, 3, 4, 5, or more of the video collections that you have. And this is all a snowball effect for you to get more viewers, more followers, and more growth on TikTok. Peace.